behind me, right?
Hopefully it goes further east. Just disappeared. Look at that stuff blowing up in the air. It's trying again. Look at it, Nate. That thing hooks to left. You better get ready to run inside. Hey, where's our hurricane shelter?
Crazy, dude.
That is crazy.
Look at how low and fast those clouds are.
Yep.
Dude, this right here is bad.
There it is, there it is. Let's touch down in Westfield on Union Street. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. This whole thing right here.
Right there.
Right there.
Look. Right there.
There it is. There it is. We got it. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. Yep, debris field. We got debris field.
Yeah.
There it is. Train tracks. Train tracks. There it is. Woo, baby, come on.
What the fuck?
There it is. West Springfield. Woo, baby. We got a tornado in West Springfield. On the ground. At the railroad tracks.
Shut the doors! Guys can't leave over.
We got it, we got it.
There goes the tree.
There goes the trees.
Yeah, you know, maybe a car.
Look at that. Oh my God.
It's a tornado.
It's a tornado in West Springfield.
Oh my God!
Well, what was that? It's like some sort of fire?
Steam. That's the debris.
No, but it was,
Yeah.
something was coming up. It's probably like the power line.
This is coming our way, you guys. We need to. It's much closer. We need to get in away from the windows.
Yeah.
I told you, you're making fun of me, and I told you I grew up in Missouri. I know what these suckers look like.
I wasn't making fun of you.
No. I'm not doing it anymore.
It's the darkest cloud.
Look at all that.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Look at this! Look at this!
Everybody get down.
Oh my God! Look at this! Look at our spot!
Everybody get down. Everybody get down.
See the church on the roof? Yeah.
Somebody call. We gotta call 911.
Why? Why? What happened?
Because there's debris all over the place.
Yeah.
Trees down everywhere.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do anymore. Now it's coming right at me. Oh my God! What do I do?
It's coming this way.
It's died though, no?
No, that's not died.
All the
Oh my
wires.
God. It's the bridge. All the cars.
Holy crap.
It's in the river.
You should go tell people, Melissa, to move away from the...
No, it's coming this way.
Yeah.
Shit.
I don't know what the right thing to do is here, but it seems like it's coming right towards us.
Hi, I'm watching a tornado out my window right now.
Earthquake in March.
This is really scary. It looks like a tornado is going right across the highway right in front of me.
Just watch for signs or anything coming our way, dude.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, that's fucking sick, dude. Yeah, it is. Feel the wind? Look at that debris.
Look at that building right there. That whole thing just...
Holy shit.
Keep an eye on that sign right there.
I don't know, we should fucking buckle up or what, dude?
I don't know what to do. That's gone. That's...
Oh my God. Oh my God. My hood's open. My fucking hood's open. My fucking hood. Oh my God.
He's shaking this truck.
Oh, that's
Holy
fucking
shit.
awesome! Look at the roof!
Look at that truck. Holy shit, that truck is, it looks like it's about to flip over.
That's fucking crazy.
Oh my god!
Holy fuck!
Building! Holy shit, it's pulling shit off the roof!
Oh my god!
Come on, go! I'm a junkie, I can't help it.
I'm looking at everybody, I'm like, what is everybody looking at? And I look up and I'm like, no kidding me. This is...
Oh my god, look at the roof! Yeah, there it comes! Shut the door now, because we're getting the back end of the wind.
Yeah, we don't want that. Oh my god.
Wow. Am I your way?
No.
Dude, look at the roof on that building right there!
Oh wow. Holy
shit. Dude, that missed us by feet!
Mini tornado. Legit. We're going to die. We're driving in the eye of the storm.
This is ridiculous.
Dude, this is insane!
I'm so happy we went tracking. Holy shit! Dan, I'm so happy I'm filming this right now.
Holy shit. There's no trees around.
That's fucking nuts. Get the fuck out of here. Seriously, get the fuck out. Damn, the ceiling, look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Drive, you fucking retard.
Shit, dude.
I hope you're calm.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Whew. I can't believe I got that on film.
She's across the street! Insane, there's shit everywhere.
Shut up! You're fine. You're fine. It's right there, that's why. Come on.
Wow.
Oh god, yes. Look at it.
Oh. Look at that. There it goes.
Come on.
It's getting stronger too.
That
shit's crazy.
Yo, that shit's fucking close.
That's mad close.
Yo, Divine, you know what? I'm about to go ahead and tell this fucking forget it. This shit is fucking crazy. I'll turn around.
Cody's at the window.
Wow.
My dad told me then.
Looks like it's breaking apart.
Going down south, Branch?
It's really good. It's going down South Branch. It's like on top of Veterans right now.
Oh, look out! Oh my God! There goes the central sign.
Sign.
See where it's really black is where you're going to need to be looking. On it just a little more. Bet that's us. It is us. Okay, now. It's going to be back in there.
Right there, there's a funnel.
Well, no, that's not
Isn't it? Right there hanging off the
Here,
side.
pull into this
I
mailbox.
think it is.
It shouldn't be right out there in the front like that. It should be back in the storm. Your car right on your butt. He's pulling stuff in it this way.
What's you? Well, that's it.
Right up here at the top of the hill. You got to get where you can get a view of it. All right, now pull in right here. See this little road or mailbox or whatever that is? Yeah, pull in right there. Pull, now that looks like it right back there. Pull in right here for a second. Over here on my side or either side. But this, yeah, my hay bales are gonna be right in the way there. Okay, now. There it is right there. It's right ahead of us. There's a tornado right there.
Where?
That white cone.
Oh, yeah, it is, isn't it? Isn't it?
That's where it's gonna be, right back in there.
Is that one right there? Look at
That's
it.
what it looks like. I'm getting out to take a look now. I get the damn door unlocked. You don't care if we pull on through here a little bit, do you? I come out here and work on stuff, but yeah, I don't know where we will, man. That may be him right there behind us, huh?
Let's pull up there.
That's it right there. They won't say that.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on up the other side of it. Oh, yeah, look at it. Boy, that's beautiful right there. You can see the outer edge of it. That ain't where your main rotation is. Come on down there a little further.
I wish we had a place we could see it.
And it's right behind these hay bales. It's where you're at. You're blocking your view. Wow, that's beautiful. The area you're looking for is right back in there. I seen it was spinning off in there a minute ago. Should be coming on up our way too to where we can see it. I'm gonna keep looking for the main area of circulation. Oh, we got this whole storm spinning around right here.
That it hang right there's a hanging down, isn't it? Do we need to go back down the road a way so we can get on the south side of it?
Well, see this light edge. Once that goes past us, we're not going to be where the rotation is. The rotation should be right. The best part of the rotation should be right there at the horizon where that light meets the dark. I'm not seeing anything that looks like it's on the ground at this point, but I'm seeing a lot of rotation right here. And see, it's trying to lower down out there. See it? See where it's dropping out there? It's touching down out there right now, trying to. See how it's just playing around?
To the left of the. We just can't get a good shot right here. Okay, try and keep that on it.
I'm looking back over here, make sure nothing's spinning here behind us.
Here, we gotta keep this on.
Everything's feeding right into there.
Okay, let's go to grab. I'm driving. Grab back. Back.
Yeah. Caught up on something there. There we go.
Don't pull on that hard. It'll pull it loose.
Here. Where it's caught on.
Turn it on. Turn her on. Here, let me see. Get it on. I can get it quick.
I'll run which way's up. There we go.
To the left.
Down.
Left.
That should be on it right there, isn't it?
Pretty close. I've got a pretty good shot on it.
Well, we got a good view out here. I mean, front view. Now there it is, right there. See where it's lowered down? There's your rotation. Yeah. It ain't on the ground, but it's trying. I'm actually, yeah. I need to pull in somewhere just so you can point the camera at it for a minute, because it's going to be over the top of us for too long.
We'll go to you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go down. Down.
I'm trying.
Shit.
There we go.
Gummit, we're back in the.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You need to pull over real quick if you want to get a front shot of it.
I don't know. Here, right here.
Yeah, right
There's
here.
the road.
You ain't gonna have much time. Of course, you got buildings blocking your way again now, but that's all right. They won't block it for long. Your circulation's gonna come right up this little dirt road here in just a second. Go back to your front camera now. Hold up, I wouldn't pull up in here too far. See, we got rotation over here too, strong rotation. Kelly? Mm-hmm. Hang on. You just,
we got it. No, wait. I see it.
Yeah, I'm saying, see, it could come out of here anywhere. There she is spinning right there. See uplifting? It's tornadoing right there. Trying to start a tornado right now. Just ain't quite doing it, but it's close. Well, look at it. Isn't that cool?
I don't know if I'm on it or not.
Let me see if I can get onto this other one too.
It's moving over that way as it's rotating around us.
Yeah, it's just rotating over. Look, there's rain. It's rain banding right there. It could be trying to tornado behind those buildings now. We're gonna have to make another run for it.
Here, let me get that set up. You gotta zoom it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's over running this. We gotta go. What's tornadoing right there? See the little fingers? There it is. It's spiraling back forward. It's tornado right in front of us. Man. I can just sit right here just a second. Yeah, it's wrapping rain bands around it. Yeah, rain's going in two different directions.
Yeah. Look coming over the. Look right up here.
I know, it's everywhere. We gotta run. You better run, Kelly. You better get out on that road and run. It's gonna overrun you. See, there's rotation everywhere. There's even rotation back there.
What? Any cars?
You got it if you hurry. Viper?
Yeah. Got in front of us.
Yeah. Dude, leave me alone. I ain't got time for you. Yeah, just drive good. Good and fast. Get out ahead of it again. They could come right up on me. So I'm going to be looking over here. I hope I get the camera. Water tower. Yes, it's right there. Yeah, don't stop here.
I think it's right on top of us.
It's getting close. It's right here near us.
Have you got that straight behind us?
No, I've got
That's
it
where
over
it
here.
needs
I
to
got
be.
it over here to the side of us, actually.
I'm gonna turn in right here.
Up just a little further. Turn it back by that school deal again. We want to get just a little further ahead of it. And it's going to be right over us again. There you go now. Now if you can turn in somewhere up there, we're kind of where they're at. Any place you can turn in there, we got a good view of it here. Oh yeah, you can see it right behind us. Around to right quick. It's a tornado right there. Trying to look right over his truck, over his cherries. There's the tornado. Tornado on the ground. Oh my gosh. It overran us, but that's all right.
That's it.
That's definitely it.
Let me just, I want to make sure I'm recording.
Yeah. That's definitely it right there. We're going to have to look at our options here in a minute. Rapid rotation there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Is it on the ground? Yeah. Yeah.
It sure looks like it is.
Okay. Sure looks like it.
It's wrapping in rain there, but it sure looks like it's on the ground for sure.
We seen it right over there. It was actually on the ground right over there, but just real light circulation.
Yeah, she's getting stronger now.
That's affirmative. I'm out with the Weather Channel right now. They got their mobile unit. They're advising they do on the ground.
Copy that. Kelly, we're gonna have to plan have to stay with it here in a little bit. Okay, I don't see it making.
Yeah, it is. I can see it in my frame right here. I can see it on the stream. You can see right there. You can see it real plain right there.
I don't see condensation on the ground, but that doesn't mean it ain't on the ground.
Or 852, or is that?
Okay, she's cycling a little bit.
Yeah, now it may be lifting.
It's lifting a little bit.
Look right here. You can see it real good right here.
Oh yeah, I'm just shooting a little video of it. She's lifted back up now. She has lifted. Kelly, we need to find a way to stay with that.